Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are doing good. So, today I am going to discuss special names with you all. Now, what is special name? We will discuss this in today's video. Okay. Now, special names means good names. Okay. To whom we give special names? We give special names to places, to animals, to people. Now, why do we give special names to places? Because there are many places. So, to make them separate from each other, we give them a good name, that is a special name. Why do we give special names to the animals? Because there are different animals like dog, cat, parrot. Okay, and if we keep them as a pet, then we have to give them a good name, we have to give them a special name. Okay, so now in terms of people, there are different kind of people. Okay, so to make them separate from each other, we give special names. Okay, the most important thing that I am going to tell you is whenever we write special names, we start it with a capital letter. Suppose I am saying Sam. Sam is a name, Sam is a special name. I will start writing Sam with capital S. Okay. Whenever you will write special names, it can be in the middle of a sentence, it can be at the beginning. Whenever and wherever you write special names, you must start writing it with a capital letter. Okay. Now, let's begin with special names. Let us start with special names we give to animals. Now, at first I have told when we give special name to animals, when we keep animals as a pet in our home. Suppose I can show you a picture of a dog. Okay. And I am keeping this dog as a pet in my home. Now, I am giving a special name to this dog. What it can be? It can be Tommy, it can be Jackie, it can be Rocky, anything I like. What you have to keep in mind? You have to keep in mind whenever we use special names, you can see I have also written whenever we use special names, we must start it with a capital letter. Okay. Now, let me show you a picture of a bird. You can see there is a picture of a parrot. Okay. And there are various types of, there are different parrots in the world we know. Okay. Now, if I keep this parrot, or if you keep this parrot as a pet, you will like to give a good name or a special name to this parrot. Like, it can be Ricky, it can be Mickey. Okay. And both the special names will start with capital letters. Okay. Now, let's start the special names of places. Okay. At first, I'll start with a school. You can see the picture of a school. Now, children, there are many schools in the world, and each of the school must have a special name. Okay. So, if I ask you, which school do you study in? What will you say? You will say, I study in Patho Bhabon Dankuni. So what is the name of our school? Patho Bhabon Dankuni. Now in this Patho Bhabon Dankuni there are 3 words. Patho Bhabon Dankuni. So when we will write Patho Bhabon Dankuni, what we will do? We will start Patho Bhabon, means we will start writing Patho, that is P in capital, Bhavan means B in capital, and Dankuni D in capital. The rest of the alphabets will be in small letter only. But when we will start writing the name, we will start with capital letters. That is Patho, Bhabon, Dankuni. There are 3 words and we will start each of them with a capital letter. Okay, I can give you one more example. Suppose if I take any of yours name, like Rohit Roy. This is the whole name. Rohit is the name and Roy is the surname. What we do while we write our name? You have written your name several times in English. What we do? We write both our name and surname in capital letter. Rohit, it will start with R. We will write that R in capital letter and the remaining will be in small letter. And what about the surname? Roy, it will again start with R. We will again write it in capital letter R. Okay. So, let's move on to the next picture. Now, let's move on to the next picture. This picture is a picture of a city. Now, there are many cities in the world. Okay. Now, each city has a name. There are different names like Kolkata, like Chennai, Mumbai. These are the names of cities. Okay. Now, coming back to some of you live in places like Uttarpara, Dankuni. These are also the names of places. Okay. Now, you can see this is the picture of hills or mountains and it has a name. We can call it as Darjeeling. Okay. There are many hill stations we know. There is Darjeeling, there is Shimla. Okay. And these places are known for hills and mountains only. Okay. Now, in the next picture, you can see it as a picture of sea or sea beach. We can name it as Puri or Digha. These places are known as for the places where we can find sea. Okay. So, these are all the special names that we give to places. Okay. Now, children, there are many rivers in our country. Rivers means Nodi. We also give special names to those rivers like Ganga, Tista, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is a big name. Ganga, Tista, now Bias. Okay, these are the various names. These are the special names that we give to the rivers also. Nodiro kintu bhalo naam hoy. Okay. Now, let us give some special names to people. Now, you can see there are 2 boys and they are different from each other. If I call them as come here boy, if I call one of them come here boy, okay, then will it be clear to them whom I am calling? No. I must call them by their name, by their good name, by their special name. Now, if I call one of them as come here Rohit, Now there are two boys. The one who has a name Rohit, he will come to me. If I call the second boy, come here Rohan, the second boy will come, not both of them will come. Okay. Similarly, if there are two girls and if I call them, come here girl, who will understand whom I am calling? Nobody. In that case, I must call them by their good name, by their special name. Now both of them, they have a special name, like the first one, the first girl, she has a name like Anjali. The next one, if I call her by Meena, okay, then it will be easier for them whom I am calling. If I call Anjali, Anjali will come. If I call Meena, Meena will come. They both are girls, but to make them separate, we give them a special name. Okay. Now, as we have already done naming words and today we have learned about special names, let us do some activity. What is the activity? Here are few sentences and each sentence has a special name and a naming word. Okay, so let us find it out. I will circle the special names and I'll give an underline to the naming words. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. Sam is a cat. Now, Sam, as you can see, it is a special name. Why? Because I have written it with a capital letter. I have started it with a capital letter. Sam is a special name. I am giving a circle around it. Is a cat. Cat is a naming word. That is, cat is an animal. Okay. Next, Pam has a bag. Now, in this sentence, at first, let us circle around special names. That is, Pam. Pam is a special name. You already know who is Pam. Pam is a rat. So, Pam is the special name. Let us circle around Pam. Pam has a bag. Bag, it is a thing. That is, bag is a naming word. Okay. Next, Roy is a boy. Roy is a special name. Is a boy, and boy is the naming word. Next, Kolkata is a big city. Now, Kolkata is a one word, so I have only used capital letter in the beginning, K. Okay. Kolkata is a big city. So, Kolkata is a name of a city. Let us give a circle. And city is the naming word. It falls under places. Okay. Ganga is a river. Ganga is a name of a river, is a special name. Is a river. River is the naming word. Okay. Children, keep one thing in mind. Just like in special names, we start writing it with a capital letter. In case of a naming word, when we write it, we use small letter. Like cat, small letter C, small c. Like bag, small b. Boy, small b. City, small c. River, small r. Okay. So, this is all about naming words and special name. Okay, and how to pick out those naming words and special names from a sentence. Hope this video will help you to understand this lesson. Okay, you can read books, but before reading books you have to watch this video very carefully, and after knowing this lesson you can read many books, and from those books you can find naming words and special names from them. Okay, so until next time, all of you stay safe. Thank you.